Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a tutorial on these like distorted chevron type bracelets. I call them ladder bracelets. I just saw someone call them that, so that's what we're gonna go with now. So ladder. This is like a beginner-ish, not really intermediate, but like kind of like on the edge of being beginner going towards intermediate. Yeah, take my like ratings of like how easy the bracelets are with a grain of salt, please, because we all have different skill sets and different skill levels, and we all can like learn things differently. So if the bracelet says beginner but it's like super hard for you, it's okay. And if it says advanced but like it's super easy, then like it's okay too, you know, like yeah. Anyway, so let's just get into the video. So to make this bracelet, you will need some embroidery floss, and you're going to go ahead and pick out 5 colors. So here are my 5 colors that I chose. And for each color, you're going to cut 1 string at a wingspan's length. So you should have 5 strings at a wingspan's length, all of different colors, and then you'll fold those in half. And then once they're folded in half, you should have 10 strings in total. And then you can go ahead and just start this bracelet however you want. Once your bracelet is started, go ahead and set your strings up like this. They should be a mirror image of each other. So mine goes yellow, white, teal, blue, tan, and then repeats itself again. So tan, blue, teal, white, and yellow. So this is a 1-2 pattern, so I'm going to go ahead and just pair up all my strings just like so. Starting with my very left outer pair, I'm going to be doing a backward knot, which means I'm going to be starting with the right string and crossing that over the left, wrapping the tail underneath and pulling it through and up, and then just doing that one more time. Now moving on to my second pair in line, I'm going to be doing a forward knot. So I'm going to start with the left string, cross it over the right string, and then pull the tail underneath, through, and then up, and then do it one more time. And that's our forward knot. Now for the middle pair, they should be the same color. So with these 2 strings, you can do any knot. I'm just going to be doing a forward knot. Now for the 4th pair, I'm going to be doing another backward knot. So start with the right string and then just follow all the other steps, and then make sure you do it twice. Then for the 5th and final pair on this row, I'm going to be doing a forward knot. So I'm going to start with the left string and then following all those other steps, and then making sure I'm doing it twice. Now for the 2nd row, I'm going to leave out my very outer 2 strings. They should be the same color, and then just go ahead and repair all my other strings. Starting again with the very left outer pair, I'm going to be doing another backward knot. Moving on to my 2nd pair in line, I'm going to be doing a forward knot here. For my 3rd pair, I'm going to be doing a backward knot. Then for the 4th and final pair of this row, I'm going to be doing a forward knot. And that's just the pattern. So for the next row, you'll bring back in your very outer 2 strings and then repair all your other strings. First pair is going to be a backward knot. Second pair is a forward knot. For the 3rd pair, the string should be the same color, so you can do any knot you want. I'm just doing a forward knot. The 4th pair is going to be a backward knot. And finally, the 5th pair will be a forward knot. For the next row, we'll leave out the very outer 2 strings and repair all our other strings. Our first pair is going to be a backward knot. The second pair is a forward knot. The third pair is a backward knot. And finally, the fourth pair is a forward knot. And yeah, that is basically the pattern, so just keep repeating this from row 1 again, and you have your bracelet. Alrighty guys, so here's my finished bracelet. I did it adjustable, so I have a little cords on each end, and yeah, that's my bracelet. Alrighty guys, so that was the tutorial. Hope you guys all enjoyed this. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.